we are discuss about the whole chemical reactions and its rates, how to find the rate law. Now we have to discuss about the how the unit of rate constant, how to find. So let's do. Rate is equal to K into concentration of product. Rate we can write as a dx upon dt, which is equal to K into concentration of A. Now for zeroth order reaction, we can write here dx upon dt is equal to K into A raised to the power 0. A to the power 0 is nothing but 1. That's why K is into 1. So we have this dx upon dt is equals to K. Now you know that this K is equal to this X is the concentration, that's why it is in moles per liter, while this T is the time which is in second. Therefore we can write K for zeroth order reaction is moles per liter per second. The same way we are continuing for the first order reaction. Therefore we can write here again rate is equal to what? K into concentration of A. Now here K1 we are purposely denote K1 is equal to what? Rate upon concentration of A, right? Or this is dx upon dt into concentration of A. Therefore this is moles per liter upon time is in second, and again it is in mole per liter. So this mole per liter cancel. We have is as per second is the unit for your first order rate constant. Same thing we have to do for second order rate constant. Okay, so rate is equal to K2 into concentration of A power 2, right? So K2 is equal to what? Again dx upon dt into concentration of A raised to power 2. Therefore this is in mole per liter upon second. Here the moles per liter bracket square. So how the simplification is there? This 1 moles per liter is cancelled here and only 1 is remaining. Therefore what is the remaining here? 1 upon mole per liter into second. Therefore we can write here moles liter into per second. That is the rate constant unit for second order reaction. Way you have to find out the rate constant for third order reaction. So think it on how the rate constant unit. So rate is equal to, again what you have to write here, that is K3 into A concentration raised to power 3. Again you have to rearrange the terms and find the unit of this third order rate constant. So being continue with this third order rate constant unit is as a mole, liter, mole square, liter square, mole in inverse square, liter square per seconds. That is the unit.